Hey everybody, welcome to our dining area. As you can see, it now has a table because I've just finished making it, but I'm going to take you through the process of what we went through with the original plastic dining table, one of those ones that you get from Bunnings, and we've got rid of that and we've turned it into this thing. What have I gone through? Well, let's take a look at some of the procedure. I noticed at Bunnings that they have several bench tops available in all sorts of different timber and all sorts of different sizes. So we chose out this 2100 by 900 pine, about $100. Before I put the stain on though, I had to position the legs. The legs are from Australian Hairpin Legs. Connor McSweeney down there in Ferntree Gully makes these bespoke steel legs. In this case I've used 100mm by 10mm steel and they're just absolutely amazing quality. About $200 each, $400 in total. So with a $100 bench top plus a bit of stain and Estopol, we've ended up spending something under $550 to get this table happening. To fit in with the rest of the furniture here in this room, I used a English oak stain. So 2 coats on the top side, as I said, 1 coat on the bottom side, just so that the complete bench top is sealed. I put a brace down the middle of the table because being a pine bench top, I figured that we might not have the strength that you would expect with Australian hardwood. And of course, the other direction is held very firmly by the steel hairpin legs. Call them hairpin legs, they're nothing hairpin about these, they're very substantial, quite heavy. After the stain has been done and the legs fitted, it was time to put the 2 top coats on. I've just used Taubman's exterior grade Estopol in a gloss finish because it will end up, once it's dry, being quite hard. I've made a separate video of the final top coat being applied, so you can watch that if you like as well. It's about an 11-minute video in real time rather than this sped up version. Once the thing is all finished, we just put on some felt pads on the bottom so that the table is easily manoeuvred around the dining room just in case we want to change its position. Now's the time to relax and have some good time around the table. Absolutely over the moon about how it has ended up. The gloss finish on top and the bit of stain, it works in really well with all the furniture in the room and we are absolutely happy. Thank you very much, Connor, for making us those specially designed bespoke legs. We think they're fantastic. Thanks for watching everybody. See you all again very soon. Bye.